Hi folks, welcome to Spain, welcome to the channel, and we're on our way to a place called Calpe. Calpe is famous for its big stone, well, big rock, you'd probably call it a mountain. We're going to attempt to climb today. Now, so far my climbing attempts haven't been very successful, so we'll see how I get on, but we're going to start off. I'm going to go to the far side of Calpe, north as you can possibly go. Spotted a place on Google, looks really nice. I'm going to go there first. So I'm going to try, I always say this and I end up thinking of things, but I'm going to try not to talk the whole way. It's an hour and a half's drive. I'm going to get the music up and I'll talk to you later. So onward and upward.
Later.
There's the big stone. Now that's spectacular looking, isn't it? So we're going to do a quick scoot around in the car, give you an idea of what Calpe looks like. Isn't that a nice modern building? There's another one. You should also knock down all the old ugly buildings as they finish with them. This is a tight turn. That was a tight turn. Now isn't this nice? Right, so I'm going to start off with a wee bit of a walk before I head into the town. I'm learning to always start off places where you can dip your feet in the water first. Weather update. Wednesday, the 19th of April, and the weather's beautiful. Not too warm. Quite a wind up there. I had my drone up, but just nice. Keep saying things like this, but what a way to spend a Wednesday morning. I'm loving Calpe so far. Really nice vibe about. I wonder, are there many expats here? Many English speakers? Plenty of shops that sell unnecessary plastic stuff, etc. I haven't looked to see how high that is. I hope it isn't as high as the last one. We will see. Not a lot of people here yet, tourist-wise. Compared to Torre Vega in the last video, which was starting to really get busy. But Mom ran up beside me there, frightened the wits out of me. I don't know if it was the camera. All the wee restaurants have, or most of them, have menus in English. In Guatemala, not so much. I really like this, but I do feel a bit like I'm in the 60s, 70s. Don't even know if I'm walking in the right direction. I could be right around this flipping big stone by the time I get to the entrance. No signs. I'm looking to see, can I see any people, any paths, but nope. Not wonderful.
A few moments later.
Right, I was a wee bit lost. I just passed a sign that says no dog, so this is definitely the way up now. But no dogs, poor dogs. They're not allowed near any. Oh! No poop. I didn't see no poop. Must be no poop at the other sign as well. Not that I would have brought the dogs, but no poop, no drones, no clamming. I may as well just go home. Right now, before I start, disclaimer. So I want to climb to the top of this today, and I'm going to try. But if I end up feeling the way I felt on the last hill, when I thought I was going to die, I may not be able to climb the whole way up. But as I said in the last video, there's no such thing as failures in life as long as you try your best. I'm going to be happy with myself no matter how high I get. Alright? It's 332 meters high. It's a good start. Not as high as the last one. Can't see how long the actual path is. I think that would be here. It also says opening hours. There's no cubicle. The gates are open, and a man just walked past me. I think he went up. I wasn't paying attention right enough. Right, I'm gonna go for it. I was just thinking, at what point in time do you consider yourself a rambler? I chose the term rambler because it refers to walking and it refers to talking. But as far as the walking aspect of rambling goes, I wonder when you can officially call yourself one. Hello, big fella. Hello. If the path's like this the whole way up, no problem. It won't be. Sorry guys, sorry. I just missed him, but a man probably about 75 just walked past me, up the stairs, there's a turnstile, walk through and away on. What's the worst could happen? Get arrested? I think I'm going to carry on. At this stage I'm still a legal citizen. Criminal now. Away over in the distance there, the second cove, white building is where we started today. Just come past more people there. As I've said before, for someone that doesn't like cliffs, geez, I find myself high up a lot. In saying that about not liking cliffs, don't like them near the edge of cliffs because they can collapse. But as long as there's good pathways and rails, and I'm fine with heights. I was walking up there and it reminded me of something happened to me because I was thinking about the heights. A few years ago, I was going to a place called Jomtien near Pattaya in Thailand, and I decided I'm going to book a hotel in Bangkok and spend 2 nights in Bangkok because I'd never been there more than like a day visit. So I booked one in Chinatown, not knowing where Chinatown was, but Bangkok's a big city.
Hello.
So got to Bangkok airport, into Bangkok, Chinatown, found the hotel, and I knew it was a big high hotel. As it turned out, the floor of my room in the hotel was higher than any other room I'd ever stayed in, and it was something like the 42nd floor. But while I was there, first night, so I used to smoke. I'm going to take a wee break.
A few moments later.
Right, where was I? Yes, so anyway, I used to smoke. So whenever I book a hotel, I always has to have a balcony, but I couldn't get a balcony in the area that I was going to. So I thought I'll just be able to open the window. When I got to the hotel room, couldn't open the windows. I thought, for flip's sake, I think I was there for 2 nights. I thought, oh, what am I going to do? And about an hour and a half later, I had planned to meet a friend, a German fella I'd met before, who lives in Bangkok with his girlfriend. So, hadn't long to pass, had a shower, shave, and while I was in having a shower, I thought, there's a ventilator above this, I could have a smoke. So that's what I did. Right, so I had my smoke, went to put my wallet, etc. in the safe, couldn't figure it out. Couldn't get it to work. So I called reception, and a guy come up, and he had a suit and all on, looked like maybe assistant manager type. This was a good hotel, I got a good deal, but it's a 4-star hotel. And as soon as he walked into the room, smoking, no smoking, no smoking. Now, just to make this worse, didn't tell you this, on the way in at the reception, they show you an A4 with no smoking sign on it, and in the back of it, a photograph of a fruit, and it's a fruit that you're not allowed to bring in the hotels in Thailand. So I couldn't say I didn't know, and I got a bit flustered, and I said, I'm really sorry, I won't do it again, and everything. Oh, okay, eventually. And away I went, and I went out. So I decided no more smoking in the room, so that was great. Had a night out, got back to the hotel, slept, got up the next day, very tempted to have a smoke, didn't have a smoke. And I was left my room, I went over to the lift to go down, and my key card that operates the door on the lift wouldn't open. So I ended up there for a while waiting, somebody coming, and went down with somebody else, and I went over to the reception. Every time I think of this, there was a girl on, and I said to her my key card wouldn't work, and as I said it, I heard somebody coming from behind. There's a wee office, and the door opened, and you heard things clattering, and it was him. And he said, okay, I sorted out. And I thought he was going to give me another key, but he didn't. He took my key, and he walked past me and said follow, and the whole way up into the lift, didn't say a word, over to my room, into the room, my key card worked, into the room, closed the door, and he says, I shouldn't let you go last night, you broke the law, not allowed. And I'm standing there thinking, what in next day over a cigarette. I said, didn't smoke today. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. He says, I did you a big favour. And he said it a couple of times, and then it dawned on me. First time in my life. Being blackmailed. He was blackmailing me. Wanted something, obviously. And you hear this sort of thing in Thailand a lot. So I thought, oh no. And I thought I better lie and pretend I don't have too much money. I think how much is this going to cost me? 50 quid or whatever. And I says, oh right. I don't have much money. How much do you want? And he told me in baht, and I didn't calculate it very fast, but as I was going to my wallet, I realised now, added up in my head, it's £2.10. £2 blackmailed for £2.10. And I nearly started to laugh. Put my hand in his back, thought, if you're going to blackmail somebody, that's a nice way to do it. And I've always thought, he's went home that evening before it happened, the evening that I had the cigarette, and he's thought about it. I'm thinking here of a way to get, he should have got money and a way to get money, and that's what he did. So there you go, blackmailed in Bangkok. The thing about every big city you go in the world, you're able to get some sort of scam, but they tend to be quite small in Thailand. But yeah, I thought it was going to be out 50 quid. So there you go, right. We're coming to a cave. And we're up quite high. Still a fair bit to go. Right folks, on the basis that this one ended up far longer than I expected, I'm going to leave it off there and have a part 2. That part 2, definitely worth watching. The most frightening thing I've ever done in my life. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up be great, comment be great, subscribe be great. Till next time, bye for now.